Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in conversion rate optimization, we will discuss about funnel visualization. What is funnel visualization is all about, how funnel visualization works, what are the steps involved in funnel visualization. Let's get started with it. What in the first place funnel visualization is all about? The funnel visualization report backfills any skipped steps between the steps at which the user enters and the funnel and the step at which the user exited the funnel. There are funnels, there are steps. These funnels are basically the steps. The steps involved when a user comes to your website. It could be a repeat visitor or it could be a new visitor. When the users come to your website, the visitor comes to your website, what are the steps that are involved from the starting point, from the first page to the last page, the journey that the visitor passes through on a website, and that is precisely what funnel visualization is all about. You visualize the behavioral patterns of the end user. You visualize the steps the user has taken on your website step by step. If a particular visitor has skipped a particular stage, let's say for example I come to the home page, I actually have to go either to the services or solutions or products based on my interest, based on my needs and necessities. But what I do in the first place is I come to the website, I may go to the contact us page, I may close the website. That is not done. It means I have missed the services page, the solutions page, the products page, and entirely lost in the way. And these steps, step by step, the user takes on a website is what I actually as a website owner may visualize the funnels, the steps taken by the user on a website. For example, let's say your funnel is defined as step 1 the home page, step 2 maybe the services page, maybe step 3 the solutions page. Then actually I go to the goal and the user navigates from step 2 to goal, skipping the first step and the second step. The visualization has to happen as far as the analytics on your website is concerned. If you are a website owner and your website has, say for example, selling certain products, selling certain products based on the various categories, I actually go to a particular product page, I go to the second product page, I may miss the first step, I may go to the contact us page, I may close the website. Each step the user takes on your website has to be visualized, and that is precisely what funnel visualization is all about. And how actually a typical funnel visualization looks like and takes place. Let us say the first part, I come to your website, I actually get aware of the kind of services, solutions, products that you are selling. That is actually you as a website owner creating an awareness in me, the visitor, to your website. That is the first part. Home page or the landing pages, it actually creates an awareness on the kind of services, products that you are selling me, and I come to know of them. That is the first step, the awareness part of it. The second is the interest, product services detail pages. Let us say I come to the home page, I get a hint of what kind of services you are offering. Let us say if it is a digital marketing website, then you have the services page. In the services page you have search engine optimization, search engine marketing, you have the Facebook marketing, you have social media marketing, you have social media optimization, you have viral marketing, affiliate marketing. These are the services you are offering. From the awareness part of it, I go to an internal page. It could be, say for example, search engine marketing. I am looking for paid campaign that you can help me in getting the paid campaign executed. That is the interest that I have shown and that I have gone into that particular page. What happens is that after the interest, whatever the content that you have provided on me, on your website, as far as the paid advertising, search engine marketing is concerned, if I get interested into the kind of services that you are offering, your expertise, your skills, your experience, your testimonials, your past performance, based on those factors, I may show the interest in taking your service. Then comes the consideration, that is the consideration part. I have shown certain interest, I have considered you as my partner in actually helping me in executing the paid campaigns, the AdWords campaign. For example, that is actually the consideration part. That consideration part happens. Then what happens is, once I show the awareness, then the interest, then I consider you as a partner in taking your help and services, then comes the action. What is the action I take? I get in touch with you, I contact you, and I take your services. That leads to conversions, and these are actually the steps actually involved in funnel visualization: awareness, interest, consideration, and action. Step by step process, and these step by step process is what actually funnel visualization is all about. And let us actually look into the stages involved in funnel visualization. The first stage is, perhaps the lead is generated through an email marketing, it could be search engine marketing, or it could be social media marketing. These are the various stages that are actually involved in generating the lead. That is the first part in generating the leads, the first part of it, the source of your client or the conversions happening. Then this actually, the links are provided here, those links are clicked and they will come to your website or an e-commerce site. Then the conversions actually happening. It hasn't happened, but it may happen. Then you have the systems follow up, the conversions happening, then the repeat business, then actually the sales will happen, which is actually generating the revenues for you. And the step by step process actually are the stages involved. It is actually generating the lead, then they come to the website, the conversions will happen, after the conversions will happen, the follow up system, then actually the sales. The conversions will happen only after the generating the lead. When the lead is generated, the system has to be, there has to be a systematic follow up. Let us say, for example, I come to your website, I have actually looked into it and I have considered you as I'm buying a product from you. When the consideration happens, I actually have to follow up with you to ensure that you buy my products and you become my customers. When you become my customers, then the sales happen. These actually is the step by step process of funnel visualization. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is, what is funnel visualization, a typical funnel visualization process, then actually the stages involved in funnel visualization. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.